Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here it is Scripted Dad. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, what you have to do is you have to click on the subscribe button, then you have to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing us a new airdrop, that is the Amino airdrop, Amino network airdrop. The Pegasus airdrop, you'll be receiving 105 worth of AMO token. Okay, I already dropped the steps in my Telegram channel. You just have to come out to my Telegram channel to get the steps. After downloading the app, just go to sign up using your email address. Then you have to enter this referral code. You have to make use of my referral code for you to claim the reward. Then just go to verify your email. You have to check in daily to receive the particular Amino token. So I'll be showing us not to participate right now. Let's just click on this link. When you click on the link, you'll be taken over to Play Store. You have to go to install the Amino app. I already installed that, so I'll just be taking over to the app right now. That is the Pegasus app. So it's loading right now. The Pegasus app by Amino. Okay, you'll be seeing the particular amounts I'm having 810 worth of the AMO token. Presently, you can't do anything with the Amino token right now. You just need to keep on claiming every day. That is, you need to check in every day to receive free daily Amino token. And you also need to hold for the next update. Once you've downloaded the app, you have to sign up using your email address. Then you have to go to verify your email address. You'll be sent a particular code to verify. After that, you'll be taken over to the page. Okay, I'll be going back to the home page. This is the home page. You'll be seeing the particular steps I've made today. These particular steps will be converted to Amino token and it will be added to my balance. So I've already made about 696 steps today, and you'll be seeing the words that is 1.4/20 Amino token. This is the daily goal. The daily goal is 10,000. Okay, after you've downloaded the app and you verify your account, what you just have to do to earn more Amino token is either you refer. So once you refer like that, you'll be getting 100 Amino token per every refer you make. You also need to come over here to check in every day. You just have to click on this check-in. Okay, so it's loading right now. You've received 5 Amino token for checking in. Every time you check in, you'll be receiving 5 Amino token. Okay, you'll be seeing here that 5 Amino token has been added to my balance. I'm having a balance of this, and when you click on this balance, you'll be seeing the particular amount you are having in your wallet. So I'm having 815 Amino token in my wallet. I'll just be closing this page. For you to invite our friends, just click on this invite friends. When you click on that, you'll be giving your referral link to share. Just go to share. Once your friend registers through your link, you'll be getting 100 Amino token. What you just have to do is you have to keep on holding it. So you just need to keep on holding it for the next update. We have a lot of people that have been receiving from this app. Just stay tuned. That you have to come in daily to check in. Also invite your friends. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll be dropping the next update in my Telegram channel, and I'll also be making a video on the next update. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe. Have a nice day guys.